Hi everyone! Welcome back sa aking channel ng Math Kanuto. At sa hapong ito ating pag-aaralan ang Probability Part 2. Okay, once again, welcome back sa aking channel. At sa araw na ito, ating pag-aaralan muli or follow-up lesson, okay, ng probability. Ang kahapon, napag-aralan natin yung basic ng probability at ngayon susundan lang natin ng mga ilang pa mga example ng probability word problem. So, simulan na natin. So, kahapon, natapos tayo sa number 3. So, ngayon, punta naman tayo dito sa number 4. Ang sabi dito, 10 number cards with the numbers 1 to 10 inclusive are placed in a hat. Dre takes a number card out of the bag without looking. What is the probability that she draws letter A, number 7, letter B, an even number, letter C, a number greater than 6, letter D, a number less than 3, and letter E, a number between 3 and 8. Okay, so meron daw cards. So, sa madaling sabi, 10 cards na merong numbers 1 to 10. Okay? At ang sabi pa dyan, nilagay daw sa isang sombrero. Tapos si Dre, kumuha siya ng isang card. Anong probability na ang makukuha niya ay number 7? Okay? So, anong probability na makukuha niya number 7? So, again, numbers 1 to 10. Right? Kuha tayo ng brush. So, for letter A, the probability that the number is 7. So, again, ilan number 7 ang nakikita natin from numbers 1 to 10? Isa lang, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, ang probability na makukuha niya ay number 7 ay 1 over 10. Okay? Napakaliit na tsansa na makuha niya yung number 7. Next, for letter B, ang sabi dyan, an even number. So, muli, ang even number, yung 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay? So, even number, ilan ang even number natin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yan ang mga even numbers. So, the probability that the card is even number, okay, even, is 5 over 10 or pwede nating gawing 1 over 2. Okay. Next one. Letter C. A number greater than 6. A number greater than 6. So, isasama ba natin yung number 6 dun sa bilang? Hindi. Kasi sabi, greater than 6. So, ibig sabihin, start tayo ng number 7. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. The probability that the card is greater than 6. Okay, greater than 6. Ilan uli? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 out of 10. Okay. Or, pwede natin gawing divided by 2. Meron tayong 2 over 5. Okay. Next one. Okay, next. A number less than 3. Okay, less than 3 daw. Medyo laki natin ng konti. Okay, a number that is less than 3. So, kailangan ba natin isama yung 3 uli sa bilang pag sinabing less than 3? Siyempre, hindi, di ba? Kasi hindi naman niya sinabi na less than or equal to 3. Pag ganun ang tanong na less than or equal to 3, pwede nating isama yung 3. Pero ang tanong lang is less than 3, so ibig sabihin number 1 and number 2 lang ang pwedeng isagot. So the probability na ang number ay less than 3, so ilan lang sila? Dalawa. So 2 out of 10. Okay? Or pwede nating dito ko na isulat. Okay. Okay. We have 1 over 5. Okay. Next, for letter E. Last one. Okay. A number between 3 and 8. So, a number between 3 and 8. So, ibig sabihin, sasama ba natin yung 3 at saka 8? Hindi po natin sila isasama dahil sinabing doon na number between 3. Nasa gitna ng 3 at 8. Pag sinabing a number from 3 to 8, yan, pwede nating isama yung 3 at saka 8. Pero ang hinihingi lang na requirement is a number between 3 and 8. So, ibig sabihin, hindi natin isasama yung 3 at saka 8. Yung nasa gitna lamang nila. Okay? O nasa pagitan nila. Okay. So, hindi natin isasama. So, ilan lang? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Probability. We have 3. Oh, sorry. Not 3. Ilan yan? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4 over 10. Okay. Or, okay, katulad din nung letter C. So, 2 over 5. Okay. Next one. Okay, hindi natin isisave yan. Next, number 5. A pencil case contains 6 red pens. Okay, sulat muna natin. Pwede natin sulat. Okay, 6 red pens. Anong kasunod? And 5 blue pens. Okay. Lagyan natin lang comma. 5 blue pens. Okay. Alright. 6 red pens and 5 blue pens. Leona takes out a pen without looking at it. What is the probability that she takes out a red pen? Okay. Napakadaling tanong. Napag-aralan natin ito kahapon. Sa mga nandito kahapon, so for sure, alam niyo na kung paano ito sagutan. Okay, so, probability that it is red. Okay, letter R na lang ang susulat ko. Red pen. So, this is 6. Ilang ball pen lahat ang nandun sa pencil case? 6 plus 5 is 11. Okay? That's it. Napakasimple. Walang palipaliwanag. Ganyan na lang yan. Okay. Letter B. A blue pen. Okay, blue pen. The probability that it is blue. Okay, 5 over 11. Ganun lang yon. Napakasimple. Wala nang tanong-tanong. Wala nang palipaliwanag. Yun na yung sagot na yon. Next, letter C. A pen that is not blue. So, parang hinuhuli ka lang nito or parang pinapaisip ka lang. Not blue. Dalawang kulay lang naman yung nandun, di ba? Blue at saka red. Pag sinabing not blue, so ibig sabihin, red yung kulay. So, ang sagot natin sa letter C, okay. Probability, okay, not blue. So, equal lang sila sa red. 6/11 din. Okay? Not blue. So, ibig sabihin, red. Red pen. Alright? Last. Oops. Okay, last one. A bag contains 50 balls. 10 are green, 15 are red, and the rest are white. Selena takes a ball from the bag at random. What is the probability that she takes letter A, a green ball, letter B, a white ball, letter C, a ball that is not white, and letter D, a ball that is green or white. Ay, namamali na tuloy ako. Again, letter D, a ball that is green or white. Alright. So, sulat muna natin yung mga given. Ilan sila? 10 green. Ano pa? 15 are red. And the rest are white. So, the rest are whites. So, ilan guys yung white sa palagay nyo? Ilan yung white balls? Kung meron 50 balls dun sa bag, 10 ang green, 15 ang red or pula, ilan yung white? Very good. 25. Kasi 10 plus 15, 25, di ba? So, 50 minus 25. So, ibig sabihin, yung the rest, 25 white balls. Okay? Palitin natin ng konti. Ayan. Kita naman nyo siguro yan. Okay. Next. So, what is the probability that she takes a green ball? Okay, so, for letter A, a green ball. Probability that it is green. Okay. So, ilan yung green natin? 10. Ilang bola lahat? 50. So, pwede nating tanggalin itong dalawang 0. So, ibig sabihin, 1/5. Okay. Next, letter B. Okay. Letter B, a white ball. So, sabi natin, meron tayong 25 white balls. So, W na lang susulat ko. So, meron tayong 25. Okay. Out of 50. So, kung nahirapan kayo mag-simplify, isipin nyo, ilang 25 pesos meron sa 50 pesos? Dalawa, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, 25 divided by 25 is 1. And 50, hatiin mo sa tig 25 pesos. 50 pesos, hatiin mo sa 25 pesos, meron kang dalawa. Dalawang 25 pesos. Ganun lang, gawin yung pera kung nahihirapan kayo. Sabi nung iba, mas madali pa daw magkwenta ng pera. O edi yung pagkakwenta sa math, gawin yung pera. Para madali. Next, letter C, a ball that is not white. So, hindi daw white. So, ibig sabihin, itong either green or red. Not white. So, ibig sabihin, 25 pa rin. So, probability that it is not white. Okay, not white. Sorry guys for my handwriting. Okay, not white. So, the same pa rin. So, isusulat ko na lang yung simplified, no? So, 1/2. So, pareho lang. And, last na. Okay. Tapos, recess na. Next, letter D. a ball that is green or white. Green or white. Okay. Probability that the ball is green or white. Ayan, dito ko na lang isulat sa baba. Ilan yung green? Okay, dito na natin isulat. Okay. 10 over 50. Okay, plus. Ilan yung white? 25 over 50. So, meron tayong probability na 35 divided by or over 50. Okay. So, to simplify this, divide natin sa 5. Okay, this will be 7. And then this will be 10. Okay. So, ang probability na ang makukuha mo na green or white ay 7 over 10. Malaking tsansa na makuha mo is either green or white. Okay, 7 out of 10. Okay, so that's all for today. Maraming salamat po muli sa inyong pagtangkilik sa aking premiere at sa aking math lesson ng probability. Pagpalain po kayo ng ating Panginoon Diyos at muli po maraming salamat sa mga taong sumuporta sa akin at patuloy na sumusuporta. Alam niyo na po kung sino-sino kayo, hindi ko na kayo kailangan banggitin pa at isa-isahin. Okay? God bless you all. See you all again tomorrow.